Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm back again talking about some carbon fiber 3D printed battery tray for Mustangs. We all know that this will fit an S550 Mustang, no problem. However, I've been getting a lot of questions and requests about fitment on S197 platform. And here we are looking at the Stallion 5.0 on IG. This here is a 2012 Ford Mustang. It's quite the street bruiser. Check this out. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help all you guys and gals out there. So here we have the 2012 Mustang, and you have an ATX 20 HD battery in here. Fits nicely, no problems. The OEM setup comes with this strap, right? And inside the battery tray, you also have these supports. And what you gotta do is just lift up the support and remove it, and it fits quite nicely. No issues. You can cut the strap if you want. It's got a nice firm fit. All of the S550 related mounting points are the same. You'll have this screw-in support. You'll notice that you have the rear bracket or mounting tang, whatever we want to call it. It slides back in there. The support bracket gets screwed in. You're good to go. No issues at all. So thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you have any questions. There you have it. S197, although lightened up already, just lost another 20 pounds. 25 pounds in this case.